Okay, this here's a 2014 Ram 5500. This has the 6.4 liter Hemi V8 engine in it, automatic transmission. It's only got 13,000 miles. As you can see, it is a dump body, crew cab, power locks and windows, AC, cruise control, the basic stuff, tradesman edition. So not a whole lot of fancy features, but the important stuff. It is four-wheel drive, has been set up with a plow on it. The plow does not come with it. We did not get the plow with it, so if you're in the market for a plow, this one doesn't have one with it, but it is ready to go. So take a look inside here. Cloth seats. Ooh, that's bright. Does have a pintle hitch on the back. Tarp to cover the bed. Good tires. This door opens and works too. Said power locks and windows. Hop up in here. Four-wheel drive. No lights on. 13,000 miles. AC, cruise control. This is how you control the dump bed right here. So it's up right now, so we'll go ahead and hit down. Just hold it and you can see coming down, no problem. So here's controls for the spreader that it actually no longer has. So if you were wanting to hook a spreader up to this truck, you could do that. The wiring is all back there. Plows, like I said, brackets up front. So super low mileage, very good shape. Great little dump truck here. So there you go.